priming. Just connect everything inside and start the priming. Easy. And the second phase, complete the priming. Okay, second phase is complete the priming. Third phase is putting the treatment inside, how to put. And the fourth one is start the treatment. And the fifth one, termination. So we will see first phase, second phase like that. Okay. So first phase is setup. The first phase is called as setup. What are the setup? So first thing we need 5 things. What are the 5 things? First one is the cartridge. This is our cartridge, the lines. Our cartridge is interconnected, all the blood lines and all the, as you see maybe with filter, okay. And at the back of there is also the plastic bags. I will open and tell. Electrolyzer. So first one we need the cartridge. The name is CAR 172. There is different number. CAR 172 is for the adult, and there is for the pediatric also 125.
What's the size?
The size 125. The number is 125. Okay.
This one 1.6.
This is 172.
172.
Okay. And the filter size is 1.6.
1.6.
High flux. Okay. And next thing, the second thing we need is the green one, the dialysate lines or warmer lines. You can call it as warmer lines because this one is connected to all dialysate to the warmer bag. Okay. So that's why it is called as warmer line. That is green indicated by green. What is green? This indicated as the pure. Pure. We have the dialysate is pure. That's why it is green. Okay. And the next, we have another line, drain line or the filtrate line. All the waste line, this is also called as waste line. Okay. So waste line is the color indicated by the yellow. What is yellow? This is impure, the waste. So that's why the color indicated as yellow. So we need the green line, the yellow line, and also the cartridge. And the fourth item, we need 1 liter saline at least. We need the 1 liter saline minimum. Okay. And the next, we need the dialysate. This is our dialysate as K2, K1. This is the venous. Okay. And at the down, you see, there is at the right side down. This is the arterial A detector, and the left side venous. Okay. And in the center also there is a square. That is the dialysate air. If there is any air, if for example, if the dialysate finish, the air comes, it will detect. But there is the machine will not stop, but it will only tell you that it finished. Okay. This is the 3 air detectors, and the next one we have the 3 pumps. Okay, the blood pump to rotate the blood, and there is another dialysate pump and the drain pump. We have the drain pump also. Okay, what is the function of the blood pump? To take the blood, and dialysate to take the dialysate from here and push inside. And what is the function of this another one, filtrate pump? To remove the urine. Okay, drain. And what is the special quality of this drain pump? Is the filtrate pump. The special quality is it will flow in the unidirection. It will not flow opposite. So the filtrate, what it is going outside, it never come back. So this is especially asked for the infection control. They are telling you are connecting into the bathroom and like that. So there is pump. We have only positive pressure. There is no negative pressure. It is not coming out. Okay. Okay. So it will come. There are 2 lines yellow. You see the yellow lines. This is blinking alternatively. This means it is indicating as clear. Everything is clear. You can insert line. You can clear it like that. Okay. Finished. Okay. Then we can remove the lines. Okay. This is our lines. Like this. So this is our line. This is the blood line, and this is the filter. This filter is 1.6 and the high flux, and the material inside is the Purima. This is the special material that is not much prone to clotting. Okay, that prevents the clotting. That's why this is used. Yeah, and we require the less heparin. For our patients, some patients we are not using at all heparin. Okay, and the next we have at the back side we have the 2 bags. You see, 1 bag and 2 bags. So what is this name? This name is balance chamber. What do you mean by balance chamber? Balance chamber is inside this machine also we have balance chamber inside. But we have every kit we have 1 balance chamber. These 2 bags for 1 bag is for the pure dialysate. The dialysate it will come here first and will go to the filter. And after filter it will come and collect in another bag before going to the drain. So why this so? Because there is one number 2 will come. This means volumetric check. Every 1 hour we have the volumetric check. We make already 1 hour. So this volumetric check is, it is checking that it is accurately removing or not removing. Yani even 10 ml you cannot remove extra like that. It is checking. That is for the safety of the patient. That is the number 2.
So this is the self-test of the machine?
Self-test
which is
of the
stuff there
machine, yes.
for-
And the self-test, I will tell you, this is maximum 2 minutes. This self-test will take. But it will not stop any dialysis.
And
It will
dialysis is
continue.
ongoing. Everything
Dialysis is ongoing. Just its procedure is like that. So no problem. Don't bother like that. Okay. Okay. So this is the balance chamber. This is why to collect the dialysate and the drain before leaving. So that's why if there is any problem in the dialysis, I will tell you later on also. So that's why this one, no need for any disinfection for this machine. Why? We have already this balance chamber is attached and disposable. But in the inside other machines, we have balance chamber inside the machine. So that's why we need for disinfection there. Here there is no need for disinfection. Even you can use for any
Other
hepatitis C, any patient you can use and transfer. Just need the surface to be clean. Why? Because of the sterilization of this line, it is keep as open end. It's loose. So just tight it so that no trouble for you. Tight.
And the
3.
clamp is still open. Oh.
Clamp open all. Okay, leave it open. Only just tight the connections. 1, 2, and 3, and this is 4. 4 connection. You make sure tight. And now you see there is spike here. We should not take from up. This spike should be always from the down. Why? Because to avoid any strangulations. Okay. So we will take it from the down and hold in one right hand like that, just like that. You see, that's it came. Now, we are holding this hand. Sorry. Then next, we will attach just here, one end, and from the other hand now you collect this one. And before you inserting, just remove one more tag here. Okay. This is holding the line first. You remove this one out. Now you need to insert, keeping the smiley face here. Just drop it. This filter should be out like that. Okay, just drop like that. Okay. After you drop, you need to fix it inside the
Sensor,
You see here?
the sensor.
this yellow, this squares. All the squares we need to fix. How to fix? Like that one. Okay. And the center is here. There is 1, 2. Okay.
There
And
is-
the right side there is down.
Arterial.
One more here at the right side. Okay.
Arterial.
3. Arterial. Fix it. Line is fixed now. How to fix? Can anybody fix? Fix it.
Volunteer.
Only one
No,
was,
no, no.
for fixing it. Okay, one more thing, excuse for one more thing is, okay, good, very good. Now this is fixed, okay? Now one more thing to be keep in mind, when you are, sometimes it drop like that, is not coming. So how to know the accurate position? There is one sensor here, you see here, this is the venous sensor.
Guide, yeah.
Venous sensor. You see the line, it is soft here. This part is soft. You see this part is soft and this part is hard. Why this soft? This is the venous sensor. It will detect the venous pressure and all like that. Okay. So this soft part should come here and to this part. When it comes here, it is the right position. Now you see everything. It is in right position. Just insert here, first and second here, and the third here. Now it's complete. We fix it. Okay. Now what you will do? Next.
Close the door.
Close. How you will close the door? First, from 2 hands, make use of 2 hands. One hand, right hand, just push it. And now just check here if there is any line inside. Or here there is any inside, nothing. Okay. Now make it from other hand down till you hear the sound. Okay. When you hear the click sound, this means it fixed, locked. Okay. Now we fix. Now what is remaining? This first phase finish. Setup finish. What is the setup? Bring 5 things. Okay. So for the setup, what is there? 5 things we need to bring. What is that? The cartridge, the dialysate, the saline, and the 2 lines. One is one. We bring already here. And next, we will open the door. First thing, open the door. How you will open the door? Just make it up, pull it. And the next, third one, on the machine from the back.
On the machine.
When you see on the machine from the back, wait till the yellow lines comes.
2 lines.
Some staff is doing and closing the door and starting the machine. So it will come. Sorry. So it will come number 88. Okay. Number 88 will come. Why? Because the machine will tell you did not open the door first. So that's why number 88 will come. So that's why you should open the door first. Then on the machine. Then after you on the machine, what you will do? Wait for the two lines. Two yellow lines. Okay. When you see the two yellow lines, this means the machine is ready for
The set cartridge.
insertion of the cartridge. Okay. Then open the cartridge, insert it, and place it in proper positions. Then close the door. How you will close the door?
Two hands.
From the right hand, just push, and the left hand make the handle down. And then the next.
Drain, saline.
Okay, next step is
Attach
just
the-
there is only one transducer we have. What is the transducer? We have only arterial transducer outside. Okay, like there we have how many transducer there?
Yes.
Arterial, venous we have. Okay, but venous we have inside only. Only the arterial is outside. Okay, where is to connect? You see, here this is the transducer. Okay, just take this one and connect here. How to connect? Just push it and rotate this one. Okay, now it's tight. How you push? Just connect it like that and rotate this one. Okay, it connected. Now setup finished. Now second phase we will go. What is second phase? Priming. For priming, what we need?
Saline.
First saline. Okay. So be careful. This is delicate. So just prick it like that. Sharp side to push slowly, and afterwards rotate. Okay, rotate till you see visible that spike inside the saline.
All, no?
Okay, now you see if you push like the, if you put like that half, it will catch the air from here downside like that. So that's why you should insert it all till you see the visible spike. Then the next, what you will do first is connect the saline, and the next start the priming. Now you see where is the light. The machine will guide you. Light. Where is the, here there is light? No. Here there is. Here there is no. Yes. Here there is no light. Yes. Here there is no light. You see there is no light here, 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 here. Only one light here. The machine will guide you. Means this is the button for priming. You see the tap here? Tap means adding the water.
Yeah,
Here,
there are two
saline.
yellow.
When you are adding the saline during priming and wash back. I will tell you in brief later. Just we will start the priming first. Press this one. Okay. So connect the saline and press this button. When you press this button, the time will show you 15 minutes. This is the time required for the priming and all the function check. First saline, then the next press this priming button to start the priming. It will give the time 15 minutes. This time you can prepare all the other things what is remaining. Till now we are using 1-2 things. We can put all the things, and we can even prepare for the patient also. Because after 15 minutes finish, we can immediately connect the patient. Okay. Now, here another things what we will use. Now, third thing, we will put the dialysate on the warmer. First bag we are keeping up like that. So our bag is small little.
Same machine.
So this is very flat and
Oh,
this
No,
one.
no, no. The warmer is
Yes,
beside.
So we are keeping like that. Next.
Old, old time.
Okay. This is the one. Huh? The next what we will do, after you keeping, just start the warmer. Do you see the sign now? Like there is
Now it's-
button here.
Working now?
Yeah, warmer is working, but you see the light
Ah,
here.
yes,
This
yes.
is on our button. This is no function. Only just an indicator and this is working. Okay. Now if you need to increase the temperature, how you will increase? There is
Your saline.
Yung demo mo doon sa isa-send mo sa akin.
there is only the what you will tell us.
What is the
Up
minimum
and down.
temperature and the maximum?
Minimal and maximum.
Yes.
So you see now, when I put this one light comes.
Okay.
This is 31 degree.
31 to
31.
37.
So it will start from the 30. So 31, if you make again 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Maximum 38. So we recommend as 36.
You recommended.
36. But if some patient feel cold, you can increase 38 also, no problem. Okay. Okay. Now you see now the saline is going to finish. So what to do if you like that finish?
Stop.
Stop. If there is 1 liter saline, no need to change. But if there is 500 ml, we need to change another bottle. So how to change?
Long
Just
press.
need to stop. So for any button stop, this is the red button. Press this one, the machine stops. Okay. We'll change this one to another saline. Now we need to, don't leave like that. Now the machine is stopped. The time will not pass. Till you start resume again. Resume by pressing priming button. Now resume that. Okay. This we start, this 12 minute, okay? The third thing we use this one already. And the next one bag is here.
Yes.
And the other bags up like that hanging.
When this one is finished, what's
It will
happened?
take from this one lines.
So it will suck.
It will suck.
So it will be replaced.
Yes,
For
it
how
will be
much?
replacing
Okay.
here. From here it is coming to
Like the BB,
machine
okay.
like that. This is only the priming phase. So what we use till now? Three things we use. This one cartridge, saline, and the third thing this one dialysis.
Dialysis.
Okay, after you put the dialysis, don't forget to put the temperature. Then next thing, the fourth item is this one, the green. This is the warmer line or dialysate line. Okay. When you open the warmer lines, you see there is one small and one big. Two. Okay, where you will connect the big small one, you see here.
The warmer.
Just connect here. One side, small like that you connect. Okay. And before you forget, just
Break.
it is
Break.
already broken.
No, need to break.
We need to break. Just break it down and check for the priming like that. It is okay. Keep close. And the another one. This one big with a spike. Okay. Just press this spike inside this one. Okay. Like that inside. In other machine there is time, but here we need this one to put the time. Now you see 4 hours. Time.
4 hours, yeah. It will come automatic.
So how I put first this one button volume, it will come this total first. Total
Yes,
how many
yes, yes.
dialysate
25
and total how much removal.
Hmm.
Then the other screen is for
6.5.
the